Welcome all of you for this live session. I wish you all the best, all the aspirants who are preparing for Infosys. In this session, I would like to give the content related to Infosys, exact questions. Ready? Let's jump into the questions one by one. Can you please answer this question? These are all exactly repeated only. Whatever I am giving. In last few years, these are all repeated. In a college, totally 600 girls and 400 boys. If 30% of girls and 40% of boys are increased, then find the new ratio of girls to boys. We have to identify the ratio between what? Girls to boys. Actually, how many girls are there? 600 girls are there. But now it is increased by 40%. Girls, 30% of the girls increased. Base value 100. 30% increased. 100 plus 30, totally 130% now. Previously it was only 100%. Now it is what? 30%. Nothing but 130%. In place of percentage, what you can write? Divided by 100. And totally how many boys were there? 400 boys were there. And 40% of the boys are increased. Base value is 100 plus now 40% increased. 100 plus 40, nothing but totally 140. 140. In place of percentage, you can write divided by 100. Okay? Directly you can cancel 2 zeros, and 2 zeros, 2 0, and 0 0. Finally, what is the remainder? What is the remaining values? 2 3 the 2 2 the. Finally, 3 into 13, 39. 2 into 14, 28. What is the ratio of girls to boys? What is the new ratio of girls to boys? What is the answer? 39 is to 28. Ready? One more. Can you answer this one? This is related to verbal ability. So, do you find any error? Do you find any error in this one? What is the statement actually? Whoever is chosen as the new chief, it is likely to continue many of the policies that the incumbent holds dear. Okay, where is the fault? Whoever is chosen as the new chief, that is okay. And it is not needed there. It is redundant. Simply the sentence might be whoever is chosen as the new chief. Whoever chosen as the new chief is likely to continue many of the policies. Okay, there is no need to use it. It is redundant there. So whatever the answer is, what the answer is, whoever is chosen as the new chief is confusing because only one person is going to be selected. That's why you have to use. So they are. It is not the right thing. Subject verb agreement should be there. If subject is singular, verb is also singular. Ready? Next one. Next one, please. Answer for this question. This is related to, we have two numerical values here. Can you please comment? Tell me the answers, please, quickly. Answer for first and second puzzle. In Infosys, puzzle solving is very important. If you observe this one, 3 4 the 12 plus 3, 15. 3 7 5 the 35 plus 3, 38. 3 5 the 15 plus 3, nothing but what is the answer here? 18. Answer is what? 18. And can you answer this puzzle please? This puzzle please. When you add 4 plus 3 plus 8, 15. What is the value here? 15. When you add 9 plus 5 plus 1, here is also it is 15. So 15, 15 also you should get 15 only here. That means 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. Numerical puzzle section is very important, but these are not always easy to crack, very difficult and different things. Okay, one must have logical thinking, quick mindset. They have to seek the answers. Already? Can you answer this one? Coded inequalities. What is the question they are giving you? A is equal to B. A is equal to B means nothing but I can write AB. They both are same now. A is equal to B, nothing but AB. And after B greater than or equal to C. B greater than or equal to C. After that C less than D. After that D is equal to E, nothing but D. After that E less than or equal to F. Less than or equal to F. This is the statement they are giving you. And two conclusions are there. What is the first conclusion? F greater than B. Observe F and B. Between F and B, we have one greater than, one less than. When you have one greater than and one less than in a string, you cannot establish any relation. There is no relation. So first one is blindly wrong. You have to take all the time common symbol, but when you encounter one less than, one greater than in a common string, you cannot establish any relation. And what is the second one? B greater than or equal to D. B greater than or equals to D. Observe between B and D. B and D. What are the common symbols between B and D? Okay. Between the B and D also, one greater than is there, one less than is there. You cannot establish any relation. This one is also blindly wrong. Ready? One more. Can you answer this question? It is from equations. It is from equations. Okay. I hope you know the formulas related to quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. They are giving you if P and Q are the roots of the equation. Okay. Then what is the sum of the roots of a quadratic equation? Sum of the roots nothing but what P and Q minus B by A. Minus B by A means what is the B value? Minus B. So what is the formula first? Minus B by A. And minus of what is the B value? Minus 21. Minus 21 by A value. What is the A value? 1. Okay. So sum of the roots is equals to minus into minus plus 21. Sum of the roots is equals to what? 21. And product of the roots. Product of the roots is nothing but P into Q. Product of this is nothing but what? C by A. What is the C value? 4. By what is the A value? 1. So product of the roots is equals to 4. Product of the roots is equals to 4. So they are giving you equation like under root p plus under root q. So I will assume this as x, and I am squaring on both the sides. X square is equals to under root x square is equals to okay, p plus p plus root q whole square. Okay, this is a and this is b. A plus b whole square, nothing but what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab nothing but root p root q, nothing but root of p plus q. Square and root cancel. Finally, what is the remaining values here? X square is equals to, here only p is remaining, here only q is remaining, plus 2 of under root p and q. Okay, p plus q value we already got 21. So x square is equals to 21 plus 2 of p into q. What is the p into q value? 4. Root 4 value 2. Nothing but 2 into 2, nothing but what? 4. X square is equals to, what is the answer? 25. X is equals to, what is the answer? 5. Because root square will be there. X is equal to, what is the value? 5. So what I assumed, root p plus root q is equals to x. So x value is what? 5. That means root p plus root q is equals to 5. Okay, these are all exactly repeated questions only, so you have to practice multiple questions. By that you can be very perfect. Okay, I will go for next question. Answer for this one. It is from a statement and assumptions. What is the statement? Unemployment allowance should be given to all unemployed Indian youth above 18 years. Above 18 years, for the students, they should give what? Allowance, unemployment allowance. Okay? Statement. And what is the assumption? There are unemployed youth in India who needs monetary support. Yes, for that purpose only they should give allowance. First one is implied. First one is in a proper sequence. Okay. Second one is what? The government has sufficient funds to provide allowance to all unemployed youth. Was it mentioned in the statement? No. Government has sufficient funds means they will invest on something else. There is no need to give the money to others. If government has money, there is no need to distribute. There must be a proper reason, huh? Okay. So unemployment youth should be given some amount because of their situation. First one is true, but second one is false. It is away from the statement. Only confusion one, only assumption one will implicit. Only assumption one will implicit. Okay. Can you answer next question? Answer for this question is from blood relations. What is the statement they are giving you? Pointing to a woman in a photograph, a man says. What man is saying there? She is the mother of the father of my wife's only son. She is the mother of the father of my wife's only son. How is the woman related to man? How is the woman related to man? For this type of questions, the person, whoever is saying, assume that person is you. A man says something, I am assuming that man is me only. Okay? And also, in the statement, identify the word my. Identify the statement my. And you have to read it from last to first. Like, first you have to start from my mother's, my wife's only son. My wife's only son. My wife's only son. My son only. My son only. My son before is what? Father. My son father who? Me only. My son father, me only. Okay. My wife's only son, my son. My son before father. My son father, me only. Me before what? Mother. So that woman in the photograph is my mother. My mother. How is the woman related to man? She is the mother of two. She is the mother of that person. She is mother to me because I have assumed that person is me only. Okay. Once again, try to read it. In this given statement, identify the word my. From my to read up to starting position. Like first, my wife's only son. My wife's only son, my son. My son before father. My son father, me. Me before mother. So she is my mother. She is my what? Mother. This is from regulations. Regulation questions are very important. At least 2 or 3 questions will be there. Equation based questions, puzzle based questions, this type of questions. Okay, very important. Try to understand it. Can you answer this question? It is from ready? Progression. If A is equals to 1 minus 10 plus 3 minus 12 plus 5 minus 14 plus 7 up to how many terms? 60 terms. 60 terms. Okay. If I do this one, first 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus up to, in this up to 60 terms are there, up to 60 terms are there. That means this position is 30 and remaining position is also 30. Okay, and minus half. Next series is what? 10 plus 12 plus 14 up to 30 terms. Up to 30 terms. Up to 30 terms. Okay. 1 plus 3 plus 5. These are in arithmetic progression. How can you determine arithmetic progression? When the difference is same. Difference is same. Okay. How can you find the sum of the arithmetic progression? N by 2. Sum is equals to n by 2 into 2 of a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus 2a, wait a minute, sum is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so first starting term is a value, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A value is what? 1 now. A value is 1 now. Okay, how many terms are there? 30 terms are there. Difference is 2. Difference is 2 now for every element. So try to identify and you will get the value here. And in between you have minus. And also starting term 10 now. Difference is 2. How many number of terms are there? 30 terms are there. So substitute same value because these are also in arithmetic progression only. Identify the sum of these numbers, identify the sum of these numbers, then minus. Then minus. Do the problem and tell me the answer. Okay. Answer. Ready? One more question. Convert into fraction. Okay. To convert into fraction, bar is here. So first you have to do, write the numbers as is 4872 minus. Which value has no bar? Only this value has no bar. Write as it is, divided by. After how many values are there below the bar? 3 values are there. So put 3 names. Okay. 4872 minus 4, nothing but 4868 by 999. Which option correct? Option D is the correct answer. Okay. Let's move for one more question. Can you answer this one, please? Can you answer this one, please? The compound interest on 5,000 for 3 years at 10% per annum will amount to how much it will be? Okay, simply you can do actual amount value is equals to, what is the present value now? 5,000. For every year it is going to be compounded until 3 years at the rate of 10%. Okay, interest means plus 100 is the base value plus 10, totally 110%. In place of percentage, I will put 100. In the second year also same rate of interest only, so I will put same value. In the third year also same value only is there, divided by 100. Okay, 0 zeros cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. Finally, what is the value you are getting? 11 into 11 into 11. 11 into 11 into 11, nothing but 11 cube. What is the 11 cube value? Actual amount is equals to 5 into 11 cube. 1331. 1331. Can you calculate this one? 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 1, 5 3s are 15, 16, 6, 1, 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 and 1, 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 6. Okay, please comment your answer. What is your answer, please? What will be the? They are asking only compound interest, na? So whatever the value you are getting here, try to minus value, because amount is equals to, what is the formula? P plus I. Okay, total amount is equals to principal amount plus interest. Okay, we already got present value. Okay, now 5,000, and you have to get A value now. You have to get what? A value. Okay, once again I am doing multiplication here. 1331, 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay, 1, 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. 1 5 ones are 1 6. Okay, so you have to do what? Total amount A is equals to 6655 and present value is what? Principal amount 5000. When you do minus 1655 1655, that is the interest. I think some calculation mistake is there. Please do it. Procedure is same. Procedure is same. One six double five, and the nearest value is only 1654 is there. So you can go with option. Okay. And can you comment this one? This from coding decoding. It is from coding decoding. Ready? Ready? What is the logic? Identify there. G plus 1H E minus 2C N plus 2 N plus 2 Q. Okay, first to plus 1, next to minus 2, next to plus 3 and next to minus 4. Okay, look at there. So first you have to do what? Plus 1, A plus 1 B. Next n minus 2. N minus 2 is nothing but L. Next A plus 3, nothing but D. Nothing but D. And next minus 4. L minus 4 H. B L D H. So B L D H cancel. B L D H is there. Next what you have to do? Minus 4 is over. Next plus 5. Y plus 5. Y plus 5. Okay, y plus 5. Z A B C D. D. Option 3 is the correct answer. Ready? Can you answer next question? Answer for this question, please. Comment your answer. The total number of the two-digit numbers, only two-digit numbers. Two-digit numbers means 10 to 99. The total number of the two-digit numbers whose unit digits are either same, or double, or triple, or quadruple of the 10th digit. Suppose 11 is there. Unit digit is same as 10th digit. Same 11. Next 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Only up to two-digit numbers only. So how many these numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are what? 9. In this case, unit digit is same as 10th digit. In the next case, unit digit is double than the 10th digit. Unit digit is what? Double than the 10th digit. Like 12 is there. Unit digit is double. Next, think like that. Unit digit is double. 36. Unit digit is double than the 10th digit. Next, 48. Unit digit is double than the 10th digit. And do you get any other numbers? Double. Double. Can you get? No. And how many are these? 4. 4. And next, unit digit either same is over, double is over. Next, 3 times, triple. Triple, like 1, 3. Unit digit is 3 times of 10th digit. Next, 26. Unit digit is 3 times of 10th digit. Next, unit digit is 3 times of 10th digit. Such any of them? No. How many these? 3. And next, quadruple, 4 times. Unit digit must be 4 times, like 14. Unit digit is 4 times. 28. Unit digit is 4 times. Any such are there? No. Here 2. Total what is the answer? 13, 16, 18. Okay. Answer for this question. Can you comment your answer? Start. Quickly answer. Select the prime number position alphabets up to 30. Prime number position alphabets. B value is there. B value 2, prime number. 3, prime number. 5, prime number. G 7, 7 prime number. I 9, 9 prime number. No. Next. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. O value 15. 15 is prime number. And next 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. And what is the C value? Actually up to 26 Z. 26 Z, 27 A, 28 B, 29 C. Yes, up to 30 these are all the prime positions. But what about this 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. And Z value 26 na? 26 plus E 5, 31. 31 is prime number, but they have to take only up to 30th letter. So this is cancelled. Which option is correct? Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Can you answer this one, please? Find the least number which, when divided by 12, leaves remainder 10. When divided by 24, leaves remainder 22. And when divided by 32, leaves remainder 30. So you have to get what is the least number. Okay. First, when divided by 12, it gives remainder 10. Suppose A is the option. A, what is the A value? 96. 96 is divided by 12. Will you get any 0? Will you get any remainder? No, 0. Because 12 ain't the 96 now. You will not get any remainder. But as per the question, when you divide by 12, it should give remainder of 10. So it is cancelled. Next, 98 is there. 98 is there. When it is divisible by 12, when it is divisible by 12, what is the remainder? What is the remainder? What is the remainder? 2 is the remainder, but you have to get what? 10. So this is also cancelled. Okay, and the next one. Next one. 94 is there. 94. When 94 is divisible by 12, 94 is divisible by 12. Okay. 12. 12 7 84. Remainder is what? 10. Okay, it is satisfied. And in the next case, when it is divisible by 24, leaves remainder 22. Okay, 94 is divisible by 24. So 24 3 is 72. What is the remainder? 22. Leaves the remainder as 22. Yes, it is going to be our answer. And when it is divisible by 32, it gives the remainder 30. Okay, 94 divided by 32. 32 to the 64. What is the remainder? 30. Yes. C is the perfect answer. Ready? Can you answer this question? Can you answer this one, please? It is analogy question. Okay. If you observe here, what is the F value 6, but it is called as 9. That means they are doing plus 3. R value 18, 18 plus 3, 21. O value 15, 15 plus 3, 18. N value 14, 14 plus 3, 17. Okay, in the next case P value 20, 20 plus 3, 23. So plus 3 they are doing. What is the B value actually? 2, 2 plus 3, 5. First to 5. A value 1, 1 plus 3, 4. And next to C value 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So what is the answer? Write your answer please. And last K value 11, 11 plus 3, 14. Can you answer? Okay. Can you answer this one please? 4 bells are heard at the intervals of 1 is 2 and 3, 5, 7 minutes respectively. Okay, and if all bells are together exactly ring at 9 a.m., then when will they again be held together at? Interesting question. Okay, for this type of questions, simply you can take the LCM of these. Because first one is ringing at 2 minutes. Okay, second one is ringing at 3, and third one ringing at 5. And you have to take the common multiple of them. Okay, at 9 o'clock they are heard at same time. After the how much time they will heard again? So you have to take the LCM of these numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7. What is the LCM? Please tell me LCM, please. LCM, please. They are all prime numbers only. Now directly you can multiply. 6, 30, 30 and 7. Totally 2, 10. 2 10 minutes are there. Two 10 minutes means how many hours? It is exactly only enough time to comment the LCM, please. Fast. Okay, 2 10 minutes means 3 hours 30 minutes. After 9, you have to add what? 9 plus 3 hours 30 minutes. 9 plus 3 hours 30 minutes means 9 plus 3 12. 12 hours 30 minutes. 12 hours 30 minutes. AM means it will become what? PM. 12:30 AM is there. Option is wrong. 12:30 PM. 12:30 PM. Okay. One more. Can you answer this one, please? Number puzzle. Hundred by 2, 50. 50 plus 2, 52. 52 by 2, 26. 26 plus 2, 28. Next also 28 by 2. Nothing but what? 14. Okay. By 2 plus 2. By 2 plus 2. By 2. Okay. Can you answer this question, please? This question is the product of 25 into 17 into 231 into 43 into 59A has the unit digits of 5. So what is the number of possible values for A such that unit digit remains the same? Remains the same. So if you look at here, the product of the product of 25, last digit is what? 5, and last digit is what? 7, last digit is what? 1, last digit is what? 3, and last digit is what? A is equal to B. The remainder unit digit is only 5. Unit digit is only last digit. Okay, here 5 7 35, 35 last digit 5, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 3 15. 15 last digit 5. Okay. 5 into A is equals to last digit. You have to get only how many possibilities are there? 5 into you take any number. Last digit you can take any last digit. By that you have to get the answer only 5 only. How many such possibilities are there? Okay. What is the value you can put for A? Only last digit only you have to take. If you put A value 1, A value 1, 5 into 1 last digit 5 only, nothing is changed. If you put 3, 5 3 the 15, 15 last digit 5 only, again nothing is changed. You can put 1, you can put 3, you can put 5, you can put 7, you can put 9. You can put 9. So unit digit will not be changed. If you put 2, 5 2 the 10. 10 means last digit 0. But last digit what should we get? 5. So if you put 2, 4, 6, 8, last digit will not be will be changed. But as per the question, unit digit must be same. For that purpose, how many possibilities are there? 5 possibilities are there. Which option is correct? Can you answer this question? This question is related to dictionary order and permutation. If all the possible words using the letters of the word draw are formed without repetition and arranged in alphabetical order, what will be the position of the word word? W-A-R-D, word. What is the position of it? It is from dictionary order and permutation. Totally, how many letters are here? 4 letters are there. How many total words you can make? 4 factorial. In permutation, n factorial only you have to do. N is nothing but n of letters. How many are there? 4 letters are there. So 4 factorial. 4 factorial means what is the answer? 24 words totally you can make. How many words totally you can make? 24th word. 24 words. What is the first word as per the dictionary order? A, B, R, W. This is the first word. And can you tell me what is the 6th word? Okay, because 3 letters are here. They can be arranged in the 3 factorial ways. 3 factorial is nothing but 6. 6th word is equals to A is comma W R D. 4 letters are there. With the A, 6 words will come. With the D, 6 words will come. With the R, 6 words will come. With the W, 6 words will come. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So totally how many words you can make? 24. So first word is okay, 6th word is okay. And what is the 7th word? 7th word will start from D. Because A quota is over. Only A can make the 6 words. D can make another 6 words. So what is the 7th word? First D. As per the dictionary order, first after D what? A, R, W. And with the D also you can make 6 words now. So okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the 12th word now? D is okay. Next W, R, A. And what is the 13th word? A quota is over, D quota is over. Next word is what? A, B, R quota is beginning. So R, next dictionary order, A, D, W. And R also can make 6 words. Okay. So 13, 14, 15, 5, 16, 8, 17, 18. 18 word is what? R, W, D, A. And tell me, what is the 19th word? So A quota is over, B quota is over, R quota is over. Next W. Okay, this is W. W, and as per the dictionary, again you will get A, D, R. This is 20th word. And what is the 24th word? With the D only it will be, and reverse order, R, D, A. And they are asking you, what is the position of the word? W, A, R, D. W, A, R, D. Here 19th word is W, A, D, R. 20th word is W, A. R, D will become as per the dictionary order. Reverse it. W, A, R, D. They are asking you what is the position of the W, A, R, D. W, A, R, D position is what? 20. 20. Dictionary order is very important in permutations. Okay. Facing towards the south, Mr. Ram turns in certain ways. Which of the following turns will not lead him to the same place? Ram is there. He is facing south. He is doing some turns. But they are asking you, what is that? Which terms will not lead him to the same side? Nothing but he should not be in south position again. Look at here. If you look at the second option, very easy. Left and right cancel. Left and right cancel. Left and right cancel. If all left hand terms are cancelled, he will be in the same position. He will come to the same south position. But as per the question, he will not lead him to the same place. That's why option 2 wrong. In the second option, third option, left right cancel, left right cancel, left right cancel. All terms are eliminated. That means again he will go to the same side, south. And the next one, right left, right left, right left, right left. All are cancelled. That means again he will go to the same place. Same side. In first option, left right cancel, left right cancel. Only 2 left. We cannot cancel them. If they are not cancelling, that means he will not go to same side. Okay, one more question here. Look at this one. What could be the nearest meaning of the word dissimulation? Dissimulation is dissimulation. Dissimulation means what? You are not saying perfectly. you are hiding something and doing something, you are telling something and doing something. That might be the nearest word is hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. Hypocrisy means you are hiding something deliberately. You are not telling anything clearly and you are saying different and doing different. That might be hypocrisy. And the next question is what does the word vexing means? Vexing means troubling. Don't vex. Don't vex me. Don't trouble me. Vexing means what? Troubling. Okay, can you answer this question? If the difference between the simple interest and compound interest for 2 years at 5% of rate of interest per annum on certain amount is equals to 50, then what is the sum of money? Okay, I hope you know the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Money, interest is calculated on only taking money. That is simple interest. But in compound interest, interest will be calculated on amount we took as well as the interest of it. That is the difference. Okay, first let us take simple interest. Simple interest they are calculating at 5% per annum. For 1 year it is 5%. They are taking for 2 years. So 5 plus 5, totally what is the rate of interest? 10% interest. And in the next case, compound interest. In the compound interest, first year 5%, second year is also 5%. But you should not say 5 plus 5, 10%. Because in compound interest, what I told you, interest will be calculated on interest also. You have to do like this. A plus B plus AB by 100. Okay. First year rate of interest is 5%. Second year is also 5%. A, B, nothing but A and B, 5 into 5, 25. 25 by 100. 25 by 100 means 25 by 100 means what? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 0.25. Finally, what is the answer here? 10.25. This is what? Compound interest. This is what? Simple interest. What is the difference between them? 0.25%. Okay. 0.25% is equals to, they have given you the difference between simple and compound interest is equals to 50. 0.25% is equals to 50. Then they are asking you what is the total sum, total percentage. What is the total percentage? Means 100% you have to calculate. 100% is equals to X. Try to complete this question calculation. Percentage cancel. Percentage cancel. And try to cross multiply. X is equal to 100 into 50, nothing but 5000. 5000 by 0.25. Cancel it. Cancel it and comment your answer. Okay. 20. How is that? Can you answer this question? 40% of your number is 40% is nothing but 40 by 100. Of your number means I am assuming x. 40 by 100 into x nothing but 40x by 100. 40% of your number is equals to 2/3 of another number. I am assuming y. 2/3 of means 2 by 3 into y, nothing but 2y by 3. What is the ratio of the first number? Nothing but x to second number, nothing but y. Okay? 0 0 cancel, 2 1s the 2 2 the. Okay? Try to cross multiply 3 2 6 6x is equals to 1 y into 10. Nothing but 10 y. 10 y. Okay? If you bring this out of the equal side, x by y is equals to 10 by 6. 10 by 6 is nothing but what? 5 by 3. What is the x is to y ratio? 5 is to 3. Ready? One more question. Comment this one. In what ratio must tea worth of 60 rupees per kg mixed with tea worth of 65 per kg such a way that by selling the mixture at 68.20 per kg, there can be a gain of 10%. 10% mixing aggregations rule you have to apply. And what is the cheap value? 60. And what is the costly value of T? 65. In between you have to write the cost price. Cost here. This is very important. You should not say 68.25. 68.2. You should not write this. You have to write cost price. This is the selling price. First you have to write the cost price of it. Okay? Cost price is always 100%, which we have to find out. 100% is equals to x. Okay? And they have to get a gain of 10%. Cost price plus profit 10. Nothing but totally 1%. 110% is the selling price. What is the selling price? 68.20. This is selling price and this is cost price. We have to identify the cost price here. Percentage cancel, 0 0 cancel. Okay? Ready? Cross multiply and say the answer. Directly you can cancel 11 ones the 11 6 the 66, 2, 11 2 the 22. 6.20, 62 point, when you cross multiply this one, what will be the answer please? 11 6 the 66. Cross multiply 62 rupees. What is the cost price there? X is equal to 62. 62. 62. 11 6 the 66 and the remaining 6. remaining 2 11 to the 22. Okay, 62. So you have to apply the addition rule here. Mean value cost by 62. When you minus 62, 65 minus 62, nothing but 3. 62 minus 60, nothing but 2. In what ratio they have to mix? 3:2. 3:2. Okay. Can you comment this one, please? Comment your answer. In an election, Rose got 40% of the votes. Rose got what percentage of votes? 40% of the votes, but defeated by other candidate by a majority of 298 votes. Then find the total number of the votes. Total percentage is obviously what percentage? 100%. In this one Rose is there. Rose got what percentage of votes? 40%. That means other candidate will definitely get what percentage votes? 60%. Who is winning? This person is winning. By what percentage? By 20%. That is called majority. 20% of the votes majority is there. This majority value they are giving you 298. They are asking you find the total number of the votes. Total number of the votes nothing but what percentage? 100%. Is equals to x. Percentage cancel, 0 cancel, 2 ones are 2, 5. When you cross multiply, x is equals to 5 into 298. Okay, or otherwise you can say 298 0 by 2 also. 2 ones are 2, 4 the 2 nines the and 0. 490. When you look at this one, these are quadratic relations, quadratic equations. How the questions they will ask you is, first question is there. They have given two quadratic equations and they will ask you what is the relation between x and y. X less than y, greater than y, equal y. Okay, greater than or equal, less than or equal. Our relationship cannot be established. Okay, how to answer this type of questions? All of you look at here. First, you have to identify the roots of 28. First equation roots is what? 7 and 4. Okay, 7 4 are 28, 7 plus 4 11. Okay, roots of it. And you have to change the sign